Okay, we're back. So let's look again at our diagram, and we have, let's continue with the same literature and mathematics. Suppose you have another situation where you have A doing literature, B is also doing literature, C is doing literature, E is doing maths, F is doing maths, G is neither doing maths nor literature. Now, as you saw earlier, L intersect M would be the null set. There is nothing common between L and M. You say that these sets L and M are disjoint. They are not joined together. Alright? Suppose I want L complement intersect M. In this case, what I would look at is L complement consists of the set. They're not in L, so it must be E, F, and G. Alright? And then what about M? M contains E and F. So what is L complement intersect M? It consists of those elements that are in both sets at the same time. So there's E. So far I have E, and I see F, and that's it. There's nothing else there. Alright? So only E and F. Good. Now let's take a look at another situation. Let me erase these and look at another situation. Suppose I have students who are studying, let's change the subject now, English, and we want to find out who are the students who are studying English and they also own the required textbook. So what you find is that those who own the required textbooks are studying English, and there are others who don't own the required textbook who are also studying English. So let's say you have another set, A studying English but doesn't have the text, B studying English but doesn't have the text, C is studying English and has the text, D studying English also has the text, and E is studying English and also has the textbook. But then what do you do here? You have two separate circles. You notice that all of those who own the textbook are also in the group, in the set, studying English. So let's take this and put it within the English. So this is the T set. They own the textbook, C, D, E. So let's get rid of this from here, and we use this circle and put the owners of the textbook within English, because they are also in the English class. So you notice that what we have here is called a subset. So how we write it, T is a subset of E. Those who own that textbook are in the English class. So those who own the English textbook are members of the set of students studying English. Alright? So that is called a subset. set. You see that? That's a subset. Now, in this case, this is the short way of writing down what a subset is. Now, let us say you have another set here. Some people are studying French. F and G are studying French. They're not studying English, and they don't own the English textbook. So what you say is F. Let me write this and make it look like big F. F, is not a subset. Or is it the other? It's the other way around. Yeah, it's not a subset of E. Right? It so happened that those who are studying French this year in that class will not be studying English. So the set of students studying French is not a subset of the set of students studying English. Alright? So in that case, F is not a subset of E. Alright? Now, suppose I want to find out what is E intersect F. Well, obviously, no student who is doing English is doing French. No student who is doing French is doing English. There's no student common to both class, so it's a null set. But what about E union F? E union F. Well, in that case, what do you think it is? Tell me. Alright. It is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's everybody, as long as they are either in English or in French or in both. Alright? That's everybody. Now, another thing I could look at is T. That's here, remember, T. Those who have the textbook. Union F. T union F. Well, in this case, what you have is C, D, E, F, G. They own the English textbooks, that's C, D, and E, or they are doing French, that is F and G. All right. Now we'll come back, and it will be interesting to see how you determine the number of elements in two sets.